Hey, this is Joe at the National Weather Service. Unless you've been living in a cave, I'm sure you've been aware of the pretty warm stretch of weather that we've been experiencing lately, really dating back to the middle of October. We've had many days with temperatures in the 60s and near 70, and we're going to see those warm and dry conditions continue through the week. And if you're like us, you might be wondering, when is this weather going to change? Are we ever going to see winter? So I wanted to address that and show you a couple things. What I'm showing you here is a map of the Northern Hemisphere snow cover, and the United States, really not just our area, but the entire country has been very dry, no snow cover. You really don't see any snow cover until you get well into Canada. However, it's been a different story over on the other side of the world, over in Europe and Asia. They've had quite a bit of snow since October, and the weather pattern has been such that it's been persistently dry and warm for us and colder over in Europe and Asia. And why has it been that way? Well, what I want to show you here is the reason it's been warm and dry is we've had this persistent area of high pressure aloft. The colors here in red show you the strength of that high pressure aloft. It's been higher or stronger than normal. And as I move through time this week, you can see the darker reds persisting over the area through the week. Now I'm all the way through Friday, Thursday and Friday. So warm and dry through the week, but notice towards this weekend we start to see some changes. A couple of disturbances come off the Pacific. We start to get a more westerly flow that will bring, in all likelihood, more wind and also some precipitation for the mountains. Probably still temperatures above normal through this weekend. As we move ahead to next week, we start to see some changes such that by the middle of next week, we start to build a high pressure to our west and a northwest flow over our area, which would allow for colder air to come into the northern plains and northern Rockies. Now this is just one model solution. It's certainly got error in it. But in a general sense, we do see signs that we'll start to see a weather pattern change as we move through next week. So in summary, warm and dry weather will continue this week. We might see some changes as we move through next week. We will certainly be watching it and we will keep you posted. That's all I've got. Have a good day.